What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. Yeah, free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle reaction videos, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up, which means there's really no way for you to go to any talk to fake pages or indulge with fake pages or send your money to fake pages, because all my links are in the bio at the bottom in the description. The first two are my official, turn this off right here, are my official artist pages, King Hussle X1M and the real King Hussle X1M. I don't got no backup page named King Hussle Backup Page. So you see, talking to a King Hussle Backup Page, that's not me. Both of my links are in the bio. If my page names ain't in the bio on the IG, that's not me. That's another red flag. My IG name is not King Hussle on YouTube. So let's get this clear right here. My IG name is not King Hussle on YouTube. It's not no King Hussle Backup. I don't got 60,000 followers, 50,000 followers, 29,000 followers on IG. If you're talking to any or see any King Hussle page that's following more people that's following that page, that's a red flag already. So if they following 600 people or 500 people and only 200 people following them and they got 6 pictures on the page, that's not me. Red flag. Another red flag. If you're talking to any Telegram with the name of King Hussle or Hussle Nation, that's not me, because my Telegram name is nothing to do with them. It's not none of that. Another one, on YouTube, every time I drop a video and you comment, a fake YouTube channel, Telegram King Hussle X1, will Telegram, the name Telegram spelled weird, will comment under your comments telling you to, with some hearts or tap or something, that's not me. If my name ain't highlighted or telling you the links are in my bios or anything like that, that's not me, all right? And last, just get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money to anybody, point blank, period. Easiest thing for me to tell you to do. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to go do anything. So let's get this thing started. So yes, I'm back to dropping these videos. I'm back to dropping as much information and sauce as possible as I can to help people win. Point blank, period. It's early in the morning. It's about 8:47 where I'm at, out here in Texas, and I'm trying to get people to understand that, hey, it's a lot of people that wake up at 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. They miss the whole morning. They miss a whole half a day to make some money. They miss a whole half a day to make a new change, because every day is a new beginning. Every day you can make a new day and change and make some money. So today I'm gonna teach people how to really make money, point blank, period, because a lot of people don't understand. But first of all, let me say this. There's a lot of people out there that want to make money, but they're lazy. It's a lot of people out there that want to make money, but they don't want to do nothing to do it. They don't want to put in no hard work to do it. They just want somebody to give it to them. That's why a lot of people out there want to do scamming and all that, because they feel like, oh, it's the easiest way to get money. All scammers make free money and all. No, they still got to go out and get this and do this and put themselves. So stop trying to find the easiest ways for you to get money, and find you a hustle, find you a niche, find you a power, find something you're good at, run with it, and turn it into the way you get money, and you'll be successful. So today I'm gonna tell you guys how to get money. So if anybody out there that got some nephews, some cousins, some young homies, some people who are good with their hands, some people who are looking for opportunities, some people who are looking for a way to make some money. It might even be you. You might be you and your 2 other buddies or 3 other buddies or 4 other buddies or 5, 6, whoever. If you got at least 2 or 3 other people that you could work with, that you can get some money with, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to literally make thousands of dollars without having no job, without needing no credit, without needing, all you're gonna need is your driver's license, all right? So basically, let me put it to you like this, because I'm trying to give people as many ways to make money as being an entrepreneur without having to get a job. Because this channel here, like I've told you, is to help people achieve goals, achieve dreams that they need, because everybody wants to be an entrepreneur. No one wants to work a 9 to 5. No one wants to work for somebody where they're controlling their pay, because when you control your pay, you can make yourself a millionaire faster than anyone else, because you're controlling what you're doing, how much you're getting paid, right? So boom. In this day and age, all right, it's a lot of people who are moving state to state, house to house, point blank period. Every day there's someone moving into a new house. Point blank period. It's not a day where there's not anyone moving. It's not a day anyone's looking for somebody to help them move, do something, right? So boom. If you got 2 or 3 other buddies and y'all not lazy, if you got some nephews and they're not lazy, if you got some people in your life where you know they're not lazy, get them right now. Because this is a great opportunity for you guys to make a quick $100,000 in a couple of months. Depending on how hard you guys go or how hard you work, because everything plays a part on how hard you put your work in and what much leg work you put in. It's nothing is just gonna come. So everybody out there understand that with anything in life, nothing's gonna come. You gotta put in your leg work. So boom. It's a lot of people moving from house to house and state to state. And 9 times out of 10, if you're watching this video and you're an adult and you have your own home and couches and houses and kids and things like that, when you move, you have to find somebody to help you move. Like you wanna find, like, you gotta call your cousins, your brothers, your uncle, your sisters. You gotta look on social media. You gotta find somebody to help you move, right? So just imagine if hundreds of people on a daily basis are doing the exact same thing. Cool. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get those people who are motivated to make some money, because all you're gonna is gonna be some moving. You're gonna be moving, but it's gonna be easy work. All you're gonna need is these right here, these hands, right? So boom, moving companies. Start your own moving company, all right? So, and people are like, oh, I don't got a truck. I don't got this, I ain't got that. Don't worry about that, because this is how you're gonna do it. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna say, all right, this is what we're gonna do, fellas, or this is what we're gonna do, my sisters. We're gonna start moving houses, because right now the moving rate to move someone out of town is about $8,000. Starts about $8,000. Then it goes up to say how many beds are we moving, how many TVs are we moving, how many rooms are we packing, like, you know what I'm saying? All that plays a part, and people are paying that for sure. Like when I moved, I had to pay like $12,000. So boom. I'm finna get a chain and say so boom. Cause I always say that. So boom, back, look, see? All right, so back to it. You get you a team together, all right? Everybody know about marketing and promotion. That's how you get your business anywhere. That's how you get the word out there that you're doing business, for people to contact you and, do business with you. So you get your business together. You start your LLC, you get it together and all that. You get your IG, you get your website, all these social media platforms, you start them so you can promote your business. So now that you got your team of people together that's gonna help you do all this, and you got your social media platforms together, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna start looking for like posting ads on like Facebook, Instagram, mainly Facebook, because that's your local area. That's where you mainly know the most people. That's where people you can touch faster, right? So boom, you start posting. We'll move you for this rate right here. We'll move you for this right here. And and the more you post, the more people see your ad, is the way how you're going to brainwash them is to calling you. Like you have to brainwash people. It's just how it is. You brainwash people to buy your product. The more you see it, the more that's going to have you buy it. I'm guaranteed 95% of the people who are watching this video right now use Dawn dish detergent or dishwashing detergent to wash their dishes, because we're brainwashed to seeing that commercial, so we buy it. I mean, it's a good product, but that's mainly the only product we see on TV, with commercials, on YouTube, television, wherever, with a commercial, with the little duck. There's always a little duck in the oil and they washing it. And they're trying to set an example like our dishwashing is this strong and this good. It can clean the oil off a duck and get it right back to normal. So you need it for your dishes. Point blank period. It's all about brainwashing. It's all about putting in people, just rappers and music. They play on the radio. They play these songs so much to brainwash us to remember the song, and it's not even a hit, but they're paying. So that's how the game works. It's how the world works. You gotta brainwash. You gotta put it in so many people's face so much that they just indulge into it. So boom, you gotta put it in their face. Put it all through Facebook. You gotta share it all day, every day, because eventually, it's all product promotion, product perception and promotion. Your product is your moving company. Your promotion is putting on all these social media platforms, and the promotion is, hey, we'll move your house this good. We'll move to you out of state and your house this good. So your first job, even if it's your cousin's house, your brother's house, anybody's house, your first job, you want to get as much content as you can to post on your social media platforms to let people know how professional your business is, how professional you're packing up the TVs and the boxes and all that, how professional you're setting back up the house, point blank period. Because once people see that you're really doing something, all it takes is that one little thing. People like, oh, they did that good. I'm finna be moving next month. I'm gonna hit them up. That's all it takes. So the more you share, the more people see, the more they're gonna say, okay, let me tap in with them. Let me go do business with them. Now this is where the money comes from, right? Like, let me get to it. A lot of people, when they think about certain jobs like this, they say, man, I gotta buy a truck. I gotta buy this. I gotta have that. I gotta have this, right? Now, the average American has nowhere to park a truck. Point blank period. If you go try to buy a truck today, you have nowhere to park it, right? So be smart, save money. You can easily go rent a U-Haul, easily go rent an enterprise box truck, easily, and move these houses. So boom, let me give you an example. So let's say somebody call you, right? Let's say you're in Chicago and you want to move to Memphis, right? Boom, they call you like, yeah, I'm looking to move. I'm in Chicago, I'm looking to move to Memphis. Okay, so how many bedrooms do you have? Or I'm moving 2 bedrooms. How many TVs? 3 TVs. How many beds? 2 beds. How many couches? 1 couch. How many rooms are be boxed up? 2 rooms. Okay, so from they're gonna get the miles and all that. So roughly from Chicago to Memphis is gonna be roughly $10,000. Okay, boom. $10,000 right there. So all you gotta do is go rent a truck, boom. Go grip that truck, boom. Take that truck to that person's house, drive it to that person's house who's moving, boom. Pack that house up, boom. Drive it to Memphis, boom. Unload it and get your money. You get half then, the rest when you get there. You could turn in that truck and rent a car